Hey budget babes, it's Linda back again with another video. So I know it's been a while, but today I'm bringing you another Dollar Tree haul. This is my first Dollar Tree haul in a really long time, so I'm really excited. If you guys want to see what I got on this Dollar Tree visit, keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's get into it. It's a good one. So first I'm gonna start off with, the little cute house stuff, and then we'll get into the beauty stuff. I had hauled these before and then was never able to find them again, and I finally found them. So I got these Sunbeam flexible LED desk lamps. I got the black and the white. Guys, let me tell you, these lights are amazing. I highly recommend them. They're LED, you don't have to buy bulbs for them, and they plug in and they are so bright. Like when I tell you they're bright. So I actually have a couple right here in my beauty room. These make really good lighting for your YouTube channel or just to take really good pictures. So I highly recommend getting yourself a couple of these, putting them on your table, and getting your lighting situation fixed. I also found another lamp, and I had never heard of this one. This one is called the Home Luminaire. I don't know, but it looks kind of fancy schmancy, and it actually looks like a lamp. So it's a legit lamp with a lampshade, and you just kind of screw it on, and it comes with a light bulb. It has one of these little dials, I guess, and you just plug it right in. So next I found these stainless steel straws. It's a pack of 4, and then it comes with the straw brush cleaner. These are really good. So next I found this brand Core Kitchen. They are the stand-up reusable food storage bags. These are great. It's a set of 2 silicone reusable bags. 2 of these for $1.25 is not bad. All right, so the next thing is more of a snack. I saw them and I was like, what the heck? I've never seen these before. They had Kool-Aid gum. Have you guys ever seen Kool-Aid gum? I just truthfully wanted to try. I got the regular Kool-Aid and then the sour, and it's like multi-flavor. So there's tropical punch, cherry, and grape in the regular, and then in the sour it's watermelon, blue raspberry, and green apple. All right guys, so now we can get into the makeup and beauty stuff. So first thing I want to show you guys is I found these LA Colors stamps. How cute. These are the tattoo stamp pens. So I found the hearts, the flowers, and the stars. The star one is really calling my name. I don't know. I feel like that's the one I'm gonna use the most. Oh, it's like a little, I don't know if you guys can see. It's a little stamp. And we just, boom. Oh my gosh, that is too cute. Too cute. So I can see someone going like boom, boom, boom. Next, I found this finishing hair cream. I'm not really sure what it is, but it kind of caught my attention. It says it helps with flyaway hairs, which I'm not mad at. So let's give this one a try. It's by the brand Be Pure, and I wonder if it's like gel. It just says transparent for any hair color, and it's like a mascara, like a gel. And it's supposed to just, ooh, cute. Oh, that smells good. If I could describe that, oh, nice. And it's not crunchy. It feels almost like gel, like a nice kind of watery gel. Oh, that's nice though. Maybe for like baby hairs, I don't know. But I have a problem with flyaways, so I feel like this will be something cute that you can like keep in your purse. But the smell kind of reminds me of like a men's perfume, I'm not gonna lie, but I kind of like that. Next, I found this eye brush set with a little case. I just thought this was really cute. It comes with 4 eye brushes, and like truthfully, the case really just caught my eye. I'm gonna be making a trip soon, and I feel like this little case would be really good for putting my brushes and going on my trip. So I mean, for $1.25, that's a pretty good deal. You get 4 brushes and the case. It's secure, like it won't open. So that is so cute and really compact. So for the brushes, we have a nice little flat angled brush. We have a nice little concealer brush. This one kind of looks like a lip brush. And this one here looks like maybe an eyeshadow brush, like to pack on, you know, some color, like maybe like metallic color or something onto the lid. I don't know, but I thought it was really cute concept. And these brushes actually feel really soft, and they're not like stiff and cheap feeling. Next, I found some new products by LA Colors. They had these nail gem kits. So each kit comes with a little container of gems, and then some sticker gems and the wax pen to pick up the gems. So this first one is in the style Bling. It comes with the round kind of gems. They're really cute little crystal looking things. And then these right here, they're small little round gems. They actually all have the same round gems in the container. The only difference between them are these sticker gems right here. This one is in the style Flare, and it comes with these like triangle sort of style gems. It has like the large and then the small triangles. And then this last style is Dazzle. And these are little squared gems. They got the small ones and the large ones, little princess cut gems. All right, guys, and the last 2 items are skincare tools. I was kind of excited when I saw these, I'm not gonna lie. So the first item is something that Dollar Tree has already had before, but it looks slightly different, so I am a little hopeful. This is the vibrating facial massager. I know, the infamous facial massager that we've had fun with a couple years back. A lot of people had a lot of comments about these, but let me show you the difference. This one kind of caught my eye because it's like a jade roller. So it feels like it would probably be a little better for that lymphatic drainage that, you know, helps with the puffiness and the drainage of your face. So, and honestly, the quality of this one just feels better than that plasticky one that Dollar Tree used to have. But it's the same style in that you just put the battery in here and just try it out. But it feels like it's nicer. Oh, it's nice and cold. That feels like it would feel nice. So if you guys hadn't seen it, I did a full Dollar Tree skincare video. I'll link it above if you guys haven't seen it. I used the tool in that video, but if you guys would like to see an updated Dollar Tree skincare video, let me know in the comments. And then the last fun little tool that I found at Dollar Tree is this Ultrasonic face mister. Isn't that so cool? Like, I never thought I would find something like this at Dollar Tree. I was shocked when I saw it because usually those like facial misters are really expensive. So I just imagine, you know, for opening up your pores, add some water in there or some toner to kind of do your skincare with. So I am honestly a little bit excited. Comes with instructions. This is the tool. Oh, it lights up. Look at that. And it comes with a charger to charge it up. So it says that this is the water tank. So all you do is fill this up with your water and then you turn the nozzle. And when the light is on, that means it's on. And then the mist comes out and you just mist your face with it. Definitely let me know, guys, if you guys want to see that skincare video. Okay, so that is all for today's Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember that if you like videos like this, you can hit that bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for joining me on today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.